Guys, my name is Millinia Asninta. Here, I want to give my conclusion about one journal, and the title of the journal is a proposal for mapping the methodology and how to think methodologically. I want to explain about the methodology. Methodology is an orderly, sequential, and systematical step-by-step process to reach out our purpose. Methodology have a classification of the methodology. In the classification have three categories. 1. Conceptual methodology, 2. Collectical methodology, and 3. Statistical methodology. I want to explain about the conceptual methodology. Conceptual methodology is methodologically that focus on how to plan and organize the research step by step, sequentially, and systematically in order. Conceptual methodology has 4 elements. 1. The purpose of the research. 2. The outputs of the research. 3. The methods to do the research. And 4. The inputs that are needed for the research. 2. I want to explain about collectical methodology. Collectical methodology is a methodology that focuses on how to collect the data as input for the research. Statistical methodology. Statistical methodology is a methodology that focuses on how to analyze the empirical data and interpret the result of the analyzed conclusion. Statistics can be classified into 2 categories. There are 1. Descriptive statistics and 2. Inferential statistics. I want to explain about how to think the methodologically. Definition of the thinking methodological is thinking methodologically means thinking that is governed by sequential, systematical, and disciplined order. There are 3 thinking abilities that are needed in order to be able to think methodologically. Those abilities are 1. The ability to think analytically. 3. The ability to think synthetically. And 3. The ability to think systematically. First, I want to explain about the thinking analytically. Thinking analytically means thinking by breakdown the elements of thinking. Instead of thinking analytically, we can use other nomenclatures such as 1. Thinking deductively, 2. Thinking divergently, and 3. Thinking sequentially, and 4. Thinking chronologically. Second, I want to explain about the thinking synthetically. Thinking synthetically means thinking by combining the elements of thinking. Instead of the thinking synthetically, we can use other nomenclatures such as 1. Thinking inductively, and 2. Thinking convergently. I want to explain about the thinking systematically. Thinking systematically means thinking by breakdown the elements of thinking and recognize the cause and effect. The draw is correlation and the causation. Instead of the thinking systematically, we can use other nomenclatures such as 1. Thinking holistically, and thinking comprehensively. How to think the methodology? So only 3 thinking the methodology. 1 is thinking analytically. 2 is thinking systematically. And 3, thinking synthetically. Okay, it's all about my opinion or my conclusion about this journal. So, thank you.